हाय एवरीवन। सो आज हम ब्लड डोनेट करने जा रहे हैं। मैं तो नहीं कर सकती, बट दैट्स माय हस्बैंड हु इज़ डोनेटिंग हिज ब्लड. ही इज़ ए पॉजिटिव and I'm A negative. So I have tried a couple of times donate, but somehow every time कुछ ना कुछ हो जाता है. या तो मेरा हीमोग्लोबिन लेवल कम होता है, या तो फिर लास्ट टाइम इन मार्च ऑल्सो आई ट्राई टू डोनेट ब्लड. उस टाइम मेरा प्रेगनेंसी हो गया. सो द पॉइंट इज मेरा कभी होता ही नहीं है. समहाउ यूनिवर्स डज नॉट वांट मी टू गिव ब्लड, बट मेरे हस्बैंड हमेशा ही whenever he gets an opportunity he tries to he always gives blood, and from him only I got inspired uh, to donate blood. And that you can see here. So the process is going on, and actually we came to the hospital to get my daughter's ear piercing, but then it said like the tool they would be using would be not, it's not like that gunshot one, which is quick and safe. It's the other way around. Now coming to me, I was just looking at my reflection on the mirror, and often I kind of record myself or take my photograph and never post it because I get so bothered by my weight, my body. But I also wonder, like, why am I getting so bothered by my body? I mean, maybe it's because right now, I'm not in a good shape, and it's just that I feel that I'm putting too much pressure on myself. I'm getting too stressful because of my body. I'm just 5 months, like, postpartum, right? And I should just be enjoying this moment that I have with my family, right? But I'm too concerned about my skin, my body, and all the beauty standards and body standards out there. And I feel, why we women have to think like that? We should just have a natural way of healing ourselves and just not be bothered by our looks, right? I mean, in my 20s, I had a great body. Like today, when I look back, I kind of feel why was I so critical of my body? I should have been very grateful, because when in my 30s, when I look at my body, I cannot get that 20-year-old body, that 25-year-old body, which was incredible. Today I look back, I did not deserve that kind of scrutiny, the criticism from myself and from the others. I mean, others, though I get it, these bitches and assholes were jealous and all that because they themselves look like Humpty Dumptys. So that I get it. So I mean, of course, जो अच्छा दिखता है उसको तो लोग जलन के मारे बुराई बोलेंगे. But but that's the fact. I used to look so good. I had such a slim body. And now when I often see myself comparing my body with my past self, which I was critical, right? And now I pray that I wish I got a body like that. I tend to be like, ये कम खा लो, वो कम खा लो. And I feel कि यार, being a foodie like me, मैं खाना तो कम नहीं कर सकती. समझ में आया? मेरी क्रेविंग्स है, और I love eating, I love exploring new food, I enjoy eating. I'm somebody who enjoys eating. So वो तो कम होने वाला नहीं है. And then I also think, why to put so much pressure on myself? That is cruelty I'm doing. I want to tell all those women who've been mothers out there, हम सब, we go through this, this difficult, challenging time where I think it's put on by the society itself. कि आप पतले हो जाओ, पतले हो जाओ, पतले हो जाओ. नहीं होना मेरे को पतला. अगर होना है तो let the body heal itself and let it happen its own way. And I walk a lot, I do all those things, but I feel that there is no way I am reducing my weight. So I am just letting it go because there is no point, and I have my own cravings. I want to eat what I want to eat, right? So I feel that I should let go of these stress and anxiety. I don't want to prove anything. First thing, I'm not somebody who proves anything to anyone, isn't it? So I should just be who I am and just let my body heal authentically, right? And just feel good about myself, and just love myself. If I say self-care and self-love, I should actually implement it also. And there are moments in my life where I feel I'm not walking the talk, and these times do show up in my life. So I want to be my authentic self and not worry about my mom pooch, which is like that comes after our delivery. And I think it takes its time to go away. And even if it doesn't go away, मतलब my body and my face से मुझे किसी को impress ही नहीं करना है actually. what is the मैं fit होना चाहूँगी मेरे लिए ना, and I want to take my own time. So I just want to give, I'm ranting, I know, but I just want to vent it out, that's all. I mean, I'm sure a lot of women out there face these challenging times, and all these things go through their minds, right? So I want to say, like, we all are in the same boat. I mean, let go of our skin. अभी skin अच्छा नहीं है, अभी skin अच्छा नहीं होगा. There will be dark circles around our eyes because of lack of sleep, because of breastfeeding, because of lot of stress and anxiety that comes with taking care of a baby, right? And I have another child also, right? So I'm quite busy, है ना? And so it is what it is. So I just wanted to express myself here. Like, I do come across these feelings of, where I try to be very critical of my body, which I shouldn't be. I'm very critical of my face, of my skin, which I shouldn't be. I think that comes from the kind of culture and society that we live in, where there are a lot of people who, good kudos to them, who do well after pregnancy and all that, but I cannot at this point. And I just want to eat, I want to enjoy my life, I want to let it be, I want to go with the flow, I want a slow living, right? I want my body to heal in its own authentic way, and that's all. Just wanted to come here and express and rant myself, and I'm just happy that I said what I said, right? So thank you for watching, everyone.